Welcome to NirnexAI, your AI-powered decision intelligence platform. In this tutorial, you'll see how easy it is to generate meaningful business insights using the power of NirnexAI. First, upload your company data or any business report. Next, simply enter a prompt what you'd like to analyze. For example, you can ask NirnexAI to act as an expert market research analyst and suggest the key insights of the company business with projected growth. Within seconds, NirnexAI analyzes the data and produces AI-generated key insights, helping you understand complex business information without spending hours reviewing spreadsheets or reports. But that's not all. NirnexAI also enables you to create stunning data visualizations with just a simple prompt. Whether you need bar charts, line graphs, pie charts, KPI dashboards, or executive reports, the platform automatically converts your data into clear report. Don't just work harder, work smarter with NirnexAI and stay ahead of the curve.